Today we will learn lesson number 4, learn to use Microsoft Word 2010. Before proceeding, we will know what is the meaning of word processor. A word processor is an application software that helps you to type text on a computer. For example, Microsoft Word, Notepad, WordPad, WordStar, OpenOffice Writer, WordPerfect and PageMaker, and so on. In this chapter, you will learn about Microsoft Word 2010. We will know some of the features of word processor. You can edit words and sentence. You can change the size and style of the letters, make it colorful. You can cut, copy, paste text. Even you can set the margins of your page. You can check and correct spellings and grammars. You can insert a picture in a document. Before proceeding, we will know how you can open Microsoft Office, that is Microsoft Word 2010, in your computer and laptop. First, you need to click on the Start button. Where is the Start button? It is below at the bottom towards the left hand side. Click on this. You will see the search text box. Here you can write Word 2010. See, I have clicked on Word 2010 and it just check the up dialogs box. You will see Microsoft Word 2010. If you click on Microsoft Word 2010, automatically it will go to the Microsoft Word page. This is one method by which you can open Microsoft Word. Now, the second method is click on Start button, go to all programs. From here, select Microsoft Office. Okay, if you are unable to see this, just drag the bar down. Now, select the Microsoft Office. From there, select Microsoft Word 2010. Here, numbers of applications are given that are launched by Microsoft. So, we need to select Microsoft Word 2010. This is your default page of Microsoft Word 2010. Now, we will know some of the details. First, the bar that you can see at the top in red color is your title bar. Title bar means the name of your file. Just beside it, there is a quick access toolbar. And below the quick access toolbar, we are having a ribbon. Ribbon contains two parts. One is tab and another is ribbon. Or you can say groups. There are different types of groups over there. In tabs, we are having file, home, insert, page layout. If you click on this, it contains different kinds of commands, or you can say submenus. Below the tabs, you are having different types of groups. Here, clipboard, font, paragraph, styles. This all things are used for formatting the text. Here, before proceeding further, we will write some text and we will try to format it. When I say formatting, it means to change the size of your text, style of your text and the color of your text. Formatting means changing and arranging text in a document to make it attractive, is known as a formatting of a document. See, I have typed some of the things here. So, Microsoft Word 2010 is my title. So, I will just select that text, what I need to format. From here, from the font group, I will change the font style. I will change the font size. I will make it enlarge. And from the paragraph group, I will make it center align. It means it will come into the center of the page. I will make bold and I will make it underline. So now my text, it looks attractive. I will change the color of my text also. I will make it red. So now you can see the topic, the title of our text, it is there in red color and in bigger size. Now, as you can see, I have typed some of the text down. So here also you can change the size of the text. Okay. So by this way, you can type the text and you can format it. Okay. Now, from here, if you want to delete some of the thing, first you need to select the particular text that you want to delete. For example, I have selected the second line of the text. And now, after selecting, just press the delete button from your keyboard. Automatically the text will get deleted. By this way only you can delete the text. Even you can insert any line in between the text. Wherever you want to insert anything, just keep your cursor over there and you can press enter and you can type anything what you want at the in between the two lines. So by this way you can insert a new line, you can delete a line in Microsoft Word. So if you want to save the file, go to File. There are two options, Save and Save As. For the first time, if you want to save, use Save option, and when you want to save the already saved file with a different name, use Save As. Now here I will click on Save. I will give my file some name. So I have given the name Microsoft Office 2010. Now see this, the changes. The red bar, what you can see at the top. First it is document 1 by default. Now it's changed to Microsoft Word 2020. Okay. So by this way you can change the text. Now if you want to exit the file, you can go to File menu and just click on the exit. Whole application will get closed. So this is the small video of Microsoft Office for beginners. Thank you everyone.